One of the most common accounting questions is how to return premium. Fortunately, we have a very simple answer: by negative payment. The client payments tutorials will give you an understanding of the mechanics behind the client payment. Now we are dealing with the same workflow in negative numbers. Return premium usually starts with a negative policy posted, such as a cancellation, audit, or endorsement. However, you may also need to return a prior overpayment on a policy. Either way, as you open the payment window, the policy should be listed with a negative amount due. Apply a negative payment by either typing in the amount paid field a partial payment amount, or by double-clicking the line to apply the full amount due. Next, enter the amount of the return payment as the negative number at the bottom of the window and change the date if needed. I usually leave the check number field blank as I manually edit the description after the return payment is posted. The invoice number is an optional field but can also be left blank and updated later. Click OK to post the payment and you will be asked where to issue the refund from. Choose the bank you intend to write the check from and click OK. On the client AR, you will see the negative payment posted as an amount due, which should offset the credit invoice. I like to edit the description to note who I am returning the funds to and potentially the check number. You can go to the ledger account to find the check number and change the payee if needed, then return to the client AR to edit the description. If you are on a cash accounting basis, keep in mind that you must apply the negative payment to generate the negative payable and return commission postings. Continue on to the payment against multiple policies video to see how to apply a return credit toward a new policy.